Hello students, today we are going to see how to change languages in Alexa Skilling. We will be giving our preferred language like US English, Indian English, Italy, Spanish, any other language. So in addition to our preferred language, we are going to add some other languages. Today I am going to show how to do that one, and after that we are going to see the limitations of this one. So what is the limitation of adding the languages, additional languages? Then after that, how we are going to overcome that limitation with the tool i18 Next. So first we will see how to change the language. Go to developer.amazon.com. Alexa, create Alexa skill. Console. Sign in with your mail ID. So create skill. Yeah, add language. So this is my skill name. And then here my preferred language, default language, I am choosing Indian English, and then Node.js. So if you want, you can go with Python also. I am going with Node.js. Create skill. Start from scratch. It will take time. Let's wait. So here I have chosen Indian English as the preferred language or default language. So Amazon will write the backend code and front-end code for this Indian English language. So that is my default language. So Amazon will write the backend and front-end code in Indian English for Indian English. So after that we are going to add some other language, and let's see how to do that one. Here for adding some other language, we have to write our own coding in front end as well as in back end. So invocation, before going to invocation, I am showing you, see here, this is my default language, Indian English. So here below the Indian English, you can see this language setting. Click that one, click the language setting. So see here, you'll be having add language option. So click this one. So here, these are the languages that will be supported by Alexa. US English, Arabic, English, UK English, Canada English, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, and the Spanish US, Spanish Mexico. So many languages are there. Here now I'll take Hindi. And also one more language, I'll take Arabic. Save this one. So now you can see. Now you can see, earlier only the preferred language is Indian English. Now I have added Arabic and Hindi. Click this custom. It will take you to the workplace. So invocation name. Invocation, I am giving for simplicity, I am giving the app name itself, add language, and then interaction model. The interaction model, go to JSON editor. So JSON editor, we are going to write the front end program, what we are talking with Alexa. that is coded in JSON. The backend code is we have chosen Node.js. So always the front end will be in JSON. So see here for Indian English, my default is Indian English. For Indian English, they have written the code. They have written the code. If I say hello, Alexa will say hello world. If I say how are you, then Alexa will say hello world. So these are the keyword. I have to say this keyword to Alexa, then it will give me the output. I will take only one keyword. Remaining I am deleting. One is enough. So if I say hello, Alexa will start welcoming me and it will give some suggestion or it will tell some information to me. So this is the front end code written in JSON in Indian English. So what it has done, it has given some sample keyword for hello world intern. So now when I open Hindi, before that I'll save. I'll go to Hindi. Now you can see here there is no hello world intent, only cancel intent, help intent, stop intent, navigation intent, fallback intent is there. They have not given hello world intent. The reason is while choosing the default language, I have chosen English as my default language. So Amazon will write program for this English language only, and after that I have added this Hindi and Arabic language. For this Hindi and Arabic, we should write our own program, own JSON program. Here I am not going to write the program, just I am going to copy from this English program. The same code I am copying from English and I am going to translate in Hindi. So delete this code and paste the English code. The only thing we have to do, so our output is present in this hello world intent. That is, hello world is the output for this default program. Our output is present in this hello world intent. So we have to change only in the hello world intent. Instead of saying hello in English, I am changing this to Hindi. Paste here, select the language, Hindi. So in Hindi, they have written it as Namaste. So instead of hello, when I choose Hindi language, I should say Namaste. If I say Namaste, then Alexa will open the hello world program. And what about in Arabic? Save. Copy this program, because in Arabic also there will not be any program. So we have to write our hello world intent. It's easy to write. For time constraint, I am copy pasting. So now see, Namaste. I am going to translate this Namaste in Arabic language. Copy this one. Here instead of Namaste, paste the Arabic word. Save this one. You can add anything. See, for cancel, we have to say some word or phrase to cancel that operation. So we'll see, we'll add this one. In Arabic, what is the meaning for, what is the translation for cancel in Arabic? So this is the thing in Arabic. Copy and in double quotes paste this one. If I say this word, then my Alexa skilling operation will get cancelled. Okay, while testing I'll show this one. We have saved successfully, build the model. It's taking time. Yes, it is done. Now go to code. This is the backend code. Front end code is the JSON. Backend code I have chosen Node.js. This is the backend code. This is written for Indian English because my default language I have chosen is for Indian English. So this is Indian English. Yeah, welcome. I can change this one. Welcome class. Students, you can say hello or help, which would you like to try? So this is for English. Yes, we have deployed it. We'll go for testing. Go to development. So in default it is in Arabic. Now going to Indian English.
Welcome Belgotia students. You can say hello or help. Which would you like to try?
So I'm saying hello. It will give the output hello world.
Hello world.
So I'll change this English to Hindi. So okay, add language. That is my skill name.
आपकी खरीदारी की सूची में पहले से लैंग्वेज मौजूद है.
So I don't understand what it is saying. Just a moment. The language is already on your shopping list. Okay, it is giving some wrong input because I have added only English language. Okay, see here in the code. So it is giving some wrong output. So why it is giving some wrong input means here it is written in English, not in Hindi. So Alexa will not translate this one. Alexa will not convey this message to us because it is in English, but the language I have chosen is Hindi. If I translate this one to Hindi, then Alexa will talk in Hindi. See this? So I'm copying and pasting here. Save and deploy. Go to test. So now, if I choose Hindi, because in the back end I have changed the English code to Hindi. Now, if I call this English language, let's check whether it is working or not.
स्वागत है गलगोटिया स्टूडेंट्स, आप हेलो या हेल्प कह सकते हैं। आप कौन सा प्रयास करना चाहेंगे?
Okay, see here it is talking in Hindi. I have chosen the language English because I have changed the back end code. Okay, if I choose Arabic also, it will talk in Hindi because in the back end code only Hindi is written. So this is the problem. So it is saying sorry, I don't know.
I don't know about that. Please look the key again.
Then I have to change this code, Hindi code to Arabic. This is not Arabic. Change this code to Arabic. Save, deploy. Go to test.
Gulgotias.
It is talking in Arabic. So it identifies only the word Galgotias. It identifies only the word Galgotias because it is written in English and it has not pronounced any other thing. So for here you can see what is the limitation. So for each and every language, if it is an English language, I should write English in the back end code. If it is an Arabic, then I have to write Arabic in the back end code. If it is Hindi, then I have to write the sentences in Hindi. For each and every time, I have to change the language in the back end code. So we are going to Hindi. Let's see whether it is working or not.
आपकी खरीदारी की सूची में पहले से लैंग्वेज मौजूद है।
So it is showing some wrong output because the backend code is written in Arabic. So here what we learned, if I choose Hindi, I should rewrite the backend code in Hindi. If I choose Arabic, I should rewrite the code in Arabic. If it is in English, the backend code should be in English. So this is the problem. For every time I have to change the code in a particular language. So to avoid this, to overcome this limitation, we are going to use another tool called i18 Next. This is a language translator tool. In Android app also they are using this tool, i18 Next. If you are using i18 Next, automatically it will translate the languages. So for example, my basic code is written in Italy. If I want to talk in Hindi with Alexa, then I can talk in Hindi. The backend Italian code will be converted, will be changed to Hindi language. So automatically it will change. No need to copy paste or no need to translate the language and paste in the backend code. So the limitation is every time we have to change the backend code in the corresponding languages. So for this, to overcome this limitation, we are going to see how to add the translator i18 Next tool in Alexa. This we'll see in the next video. If you are having any query in this, you can write to this mail ID. So far we have done so many lab exercise. You can embed this language addition in any of the program. If you are doing Celebrate Your Mother, so you can add English as well as Hindi language. It will celebrate your mother with, it will complement your mother with English as well as in Hindi. If you want to talk Alexa in Japanese, then it will talk in Japanese language. The only thing is you have to change the backend code. So you have to rewrite the backend code in the corresponding languages. So each and every time, according to the languages, we are changing that one. So this makes some complex thing, tedious thing. So this is not a good option. So we are going for this I-18 next language translator. The next video we'll see how to do that one. Thank you.